Guys, today we are going to continue talking about volume, and we're going to look at volume of cylinders. Okay, so we're going to talk about kind of where we got the formula for a cylinder, and then we're going to apply that formula. Okay, so let's think about the volume of a prism, right? And so we're thinking about Cavalari's principle, right? So if the bases of the prism and the cylinder area B, big B, and the heights of both of them are the same, then Cavalari's principle tells us that the volume can be found the same way. Volume of a cylinder can still be found by doing V equals B, capital B, which is the area of the base, times H, the height. Okay, so in particular, especially the things that what we will be working with today, or not today, well, in this lesson, we're going to be specifically talking not only about cylinders, but circular cylinders. So remember that big B means the area of your base. And if you have a circular cylinder, that means your base is a circle. So the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the formula for a circular cylinder for volume is pi r squared times h. So that is the formula we will be using in this lesson to find the volume for a circular cylinder. No problem. So we want to find the volume. All right, so volume is pi r squared times h. That's our formula. Our radius is 5 in the circle. It gave it to us. And our height was 12. So putting that into our calculator, we get 300 times pi. And 300 pi in our calculator is approximately 942.5. And remember, we are in cubed units, so inches cubed for this problem. Okay, again, here's a circular cylinder, okay? And so we can use, let me talk about this first. We can use the same formula. Volume is equal to pi r squared. However, they did not give us r. They didn't give us r. They gave us the height, but they didn't give us r. They only gave us the circumference of this circle of the base. They gave us the circumference. So we have to use the circumference to find our r, our radius. Okay, well, circumference, the formula for the circumference is 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r, circumference of a circle. Okay, so if our circumference is 24 pi, we just need to solve for r. We can divide both sides by 2 pi, leaving us 12, which means our radius is 12 for that circle. Now that we have our r, we can use our formula for volume. Volume is pi r squared. Well, we know r is 12. So in our calculator, 12 squared times 16 gives us 2,304. And then with the pi, so 2,304 times pi gives us approximately 7,238.2 inches cubed. Next one. Here we have a circular cylinder, and it did not give us the radius again. It gave us the diameter. The diameter is 4. But we know if the diameter is 4, that means the radius is 2. Here's something, though, that is almost a trick question. If you notice, the diameter is 4 centimeters, but the height is 2 millimeters, which means that we need to convert. We need to convert 2 centimeters into millimeters. Well, we know that millimeters is smaller than centimeters, so we know that for every 10 millimeters, we get 1 centimeter. So if we have 2 centimeters, that means we have 20 millimeters. So our radius is actually 20 millimeters. Same thing as 2 centimeters, but remember we're converting to keep the units correct. Okay, now we can plug it into our formula. Volume equals pi r squared, so r is 20. So 20 squared times 2 becomes 800, and 800 pi is 2,513.3 millimeters cubed. All right, your turn. You're going to do section 11.3, 2 through 6 evens, and it looks like the problems start on page 472. Good luck.